Running a modern dental practice involves much more than patient care. You also have to manage appointments, billing, insurance claims, clinical records, and treatment plans, all while maintaining a smooth patient experience. Eaglesoft is one of the most widely used dental practice management systems, and in 2025, it's still a go-to platform for streamlining daily operations in dental offices. Developed by Patterson Dental, Eaglesoft offers an all-in-one solution that brings together scheduling, charting, imaging, and financials into a single platform. Whether you're running a solo practice or managing multiple locations, Eaglesoft helps automate administrative tasks and centralize clinical and patient data so your team can stay focused on delivering care. In this video, we'll explore the core features and benefits of Eaglesoft, break down why it's a great choice for dental professionals today, and wrap up with a summary to help you decide if it's the right fit for your practice. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the comprehensive appointment scheduling. Eaglesoft's scheduling module allows you to create, modify, and track appointments in real time. You can customize views by provider or operatory, set recurring appointments, and use visual indicators to see open time slots, no-shows, and late arrivals. It improves front desk efficiency and helps maximize chair time, reducing cancellations and ensuring your schedule stays fully optimized. Another key feature is the clinical charting and digital imaging integration. Eaglesoft offers detailed clinical charting tools that include odontograms, treatment planning, periodontal charting, and progress notes. It integrates directly with imaging tools like digital x-rays, intraoral cameras, and other diagnostic equipment. This enables providers to make faster, more accurate diagnosis with immediate access to visual data, all stored within the patient's digital charts. Another key feature is the insurance and claims management. Eaglesoft simplifies the entire insurance process by allowing users to electronically submit claims, verify coverage, and track EOBs. It also features tools for pre-authorization and benefits estimation. You reduce billing delays and claim denials, ensuring quicker reimbursement and fewer headaches for both your team and your patients. Another key feature is the patient communication and reminders. With integrated communication tools, you can send automated appointment reminders via text or email, confirm visits, and follow up with post-treatment messages or marketing promotions. It also integrates with Patterson's Revenue well for enhanced patient engagement. Automated reminders help reduce no-shows, improve the patient experience, and keep your practice top of mind for future visits. Another key feature is the financial reporting and payment processing. Eaglesoft includes full financial tracking features such as payment posting, ledger management, patient billing, and real-time reporting. It supports in-office payments, online payments, and patient financing options. With complete visibility into your practice's financial health, you can make informed business decisions, track revenue trends, and simplify collections. So why is Eaglesoft a great choice? Eaglesoft is trusted by thousands of dental practices because it provides everything you need in one software suite without the need for third-party platforms or complicated integrations. Its interface is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor workflows for your practice's unique needs. It's especially valuable for offices that want a balance between clinical accuracy and administrative simplicity. Eaglesoft doesn't just help your hygienists and dentists stay on top of treatment. It also supports your front desk with reliable tools for scheduling, billing, and insurance. Another reason many practices choose Eaglesoft is the strong customer support and training resources from Patterson Dental. Whether it's onboarding new staff or learning advanced features, help is always available through webinars, tutorials, and a responsive support team. And as more practices digitize their workflows, Eaglesoft continues to evolve, offering cloud backups, tighter security features, and expanded integrations with imaging and diagnostic tools. It's a future-ready platform that doesn't require you to constantly reinvent how your practice operates. So basically, if you're looking for a robust, all-in-one dental practice management system in 2025, Eaglesoft is still one of the most comprehensive and reliable options available. From scheduling and charting to billing and patient communication, it brings your entire practice under one digital roof. It's designed to help you save time, stay organized, reduce administrative overhead, and provide better patient experiences. With powerful automation, detailed reporting, and strong clinical tools, Eaglesoft lets your entire team, from the front desk to the operatory, work more efficiently. So whether you're launching a new practice or upgrading from older software, Eaglesoft gives you the tools to grow confidently and manage every aspect of your practice with ease. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.